Hey guys, today we have this beautiful 5-string. This is a Martin Sheridan workshop fiddle. If you're not wanting to spend $6,500 up to $10,000, whatever, a lot of these 5-string handmade in America bring huge money. If you want to save $4,000 or $5,000, $3,000 to $5,000, this would be a great instrument to buy. It has a lot of the same qualities as his handmade edition that I have sold in the past. Beautiful sound. It's a Guarneri Del Gesu model, and if you have any questions about it, let me know. I'm going to play it for you right here. It's a beautiful big sound.